guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing today? Alright, I just want to show you guys, this is how I do it. Today is Thursday, so I'm trying to get my old letters out. Okay, I'm here at Office Depot. You guys definitely want to check them out. They will fold your letters for you. All these were done by them. Remember I showed you the other day I had a trunk full of these things? They folded them for me. Now all I've got to do is sit here and stuff them in my customized envelopes. Okay, the stamps are already on them, as you can see. But that saved me a whole lot of time, guys. They're already folded, tri-fold. Right here you can see I'm using this 6-figure stamp club $50 letter. Okay, as I explained to you, that will go in here with these. These are already folded. It's going to be 4 of these. 4 of these together, and then you put the red label in there, and here's my cover letter, and you put it in this envelope. That's it. See the new letter, got that coming out. But this is what I'm doing to get these old letters out, so that saved me a lot of time by them actually folding them for me. Then all I have to do is stuff them. Okay, so that's how 6-figure stamp club and 30-day success formula go hand in hand. Okay, you put their letter in there, and I use their leads to mail these out to. Okay, that way I know I'm getting high targeted leads that's going to look at this opportunity. Okay, you want the customized letter, the envelopes, and everything that I've got going. Click that link below. Go ahead and click the subscribe button. Click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos as well. And I'll put both links to both programs, okay, in the description box so you can get started with me. Okay, both of these are direct mail programs, and they work hand in hand. Okay, hand in hand. So people will get the leads here, and they'll join me in the 30-day success formula. See the levels here? They'll pick a level, and they'll get their leads there, and that'll be $50 in my pocket on top of what I'm going to get right here. All right, hand in hand, guys. So if you're interested in that, click that link below. Give me a call. Let's talk. Let's get you started so you can start getting these commissions as well in the mail. All right, guys. Until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. As you can see, I've got that testimony in here too from the grandmother. Okay, good stuff. All right, guys. See you in the next video. You guys have a blessed day.